So the thing is that a human centipede is a lot like this strip of paper here. See, it has a blank side and a dark side, right? And that's the same kind of symmetry that the human centipede has, which has a top, which is the backs of all the humans, and a bottom, which is the bellies of all the humans. So when you try to make that 180-degree twist in the chain and bring its head to its tail, what you find is that, well, if you follow one side here, the white side, we twist it around and we look at and we follow along that side. When we come very suddenly to a place where it changes, right here. It changes color from white to black. And that's the same if we turn it around over here, changes color black to white, white to black. And so it has this kind of seam. It's not smooth. And that's because a Möbius strip is one-sided, right? It's a one-sided form, whereas human centipedes obviously have two sides. And now I'm going to show you this diagram that I made here, where, okay, so humans are like this. They have a top and a bottom, which are different. They have a front and back, which are different. And their left and right are the same. Now, since the front and the back don't matter so much because that's just the two ends of the link in the human centipede chain, right? And so that's just kind of repeated over and over, so it has a translational symmetry there. But there's a problem when the top and bottom are different, right? Because, well, so humans, as links in the chain, humans end up having this kind of bilateral symmetry, like this kite. Whereas a proper link for a Möbius chain would require at least second-degree rotational symmetry. It has to be able to be turned 180 degrees, just like in the twist over here, where they start like this, and they twist 180 degrees around. And then when the last guy comes to the ass of the first guy, there's a seam there where all their legs are facing one way, their legs and arms are facing one way, but then at this stage, suddenly they're flipped around and they're facing the other way.